See how this tails down? This little tail right here, when it came through Vichy, produced 96-mile-per-hour winds. Also, anywhere from around that circle where the rotation is, it's all buried in rain, so you wouldn't even be able to see the tornado if it was developing. But anywhere in here not only has the potential for the strong winds, but also very large hail. And there was a report, meteorologist Leah Hill is here with me too. Leah, what was the report from near Bland? Was it
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Clinton County in south-central Illinois, southwestern Marion County in south-central Illinois, northeastern Washington County in south-central Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Beckermeyer, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Shattuck around 8:10 p.m., Centralia, Sandoval, Waumec, and Central City around 8:15 p.m., Odin around 8:20 p.m., Salem around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm includes Bartelso, Junction City, Posey, Huey, Hoffman, Tonti, Walnut Hill, Farron, and Selmaville. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois near exit 116, Interstate 76 in Illinois between exits 14 and 21. This also includes Confluence State Park and the Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: St. Charles and St. Louis, and Madison County, Illinois.
winds that helps me see where that rotation is. So there's Canaan, Bland would be here, Owensville would be here. So that rotation's passing south of those towns. This is southern Gascony County. This is Crawford County down here, and here's the rotation.